Hello guys, welcome back to Structures Pro. Today I'm introducing to you this wonderful software that has a lot of structural design templates. In my last video, I promised that I'm going to be introducing to you this software. This software was created by Stonebridge. Yeah. So now let me just show you the general overview of this software, what it has. So here now you see the first one, the first button here is Pile Foundation. It shows you Pile Foundation detailing everything about Pile Foundation. The second one here is Slab Raft Foundation. Raft Foundation. So in case you have any similar project in the future, just what you just need to do is to get a sample of it. Of course, you know the strength of every structural engineer is the go by you have in your catalog. What are the information you have? There is nothing you are expected to design today that has not been designed in the past. So your power and your strength lies heavily on the information you have in your catalog, what you have in your catalog, the template you have. So that's just our strength in this industry. So the third one is beam wrapped foundation, wrapped foundation that has beam. The other one is a white strip foundation. We also have a steel detailing template. This one is a warehouse that was detailed. Yeah, all the connection detailing, everything about steel drawing is in this steel. Then you have a pad foundation, the normal pad foundation. I'm going to show you, I'm going to open all of them one by one and show you what is inside. I'm just trying to introduce you to all the things that are here. Then this one is Pro detailing template. For those of us that are using Pro software, when you are done bringing out your drawings from RCDC, what you just need to do is you copy your RCDC output, open this button. There's a place there where you paste the drawing from RCDC, and automatically this software is going to fine tune your drawing to about 80%. So you just need to do a 20% work to make the work look exactly the way you want it. But the fine tuning, the cleaning up, the matching of properties and the rest of them, the software is going to help you do that to up to 80%. Then for those of you that are using Orion software, the same thing is applicable. Here we have bar bending schedule. This template for bar bending schedule is standard. Like this company is a UK company. They are based in UK. So this every drawing here are standard drawings. So whatever you use, if you use the sample as it is in this drawing, it is generally acceptable. So it is not a a child's play. So here you have bar bending schedule. When you have opened the bar bending schedule, it's well programmed. All you just need to do is put your length and the total length, the weight, everything is calculated automatically. I'm going to open this thing one by one to show you how it works. Okay, so the first one is Pi Foundation. So I'm going to go straight to click on this button, double click on it, and say yes. Then wait for it to come up. So it's going to open Pile Foundation drawing. This template is wonderful. So tomorrow, if you have a Pile Foundation work, any Pile Foundation you have designed and you want to do the drawing, this is a go buy for you. This is a go buy for you. So in case you need this go buy, just go to description box. The link is there, and it is very affordable. So now look at the first cover page. This is a back sheet for you. You can as well edit anything here. Everything here is editable. You can edit anything here. So this is of course, this I told you that the Stonebridge company that that produce this template. So for here you have notes, general notes. You have reinforcement note. Of course, you know that every structural drawings has notes. So we have all the notes you will ever need in any of your drawing. You have general notes. You have reinforcement notes, concrete notes. We also have block work, earthwork notes on earthwork, and site preparation. Get so now this is the pile cap layout. You have the building, you have the pile positions and the pile cap type. You have different types of pile cap here as designed. So in case this is the type you design in your work, you just go, you have already seen the sample here, and you go to the detailing and see exactly how it's detailed. That is what you just need to do. In your own work, the difference is going to be the only difference in your own work is going to be the dimensioning, so these are the sections. This is the plan of the first type of the pie cap. This is the column position, and you have the pile there. So this is plan of pie cap. You get 3 in number. So this is a section of it. You see the pile itself, 1125 millimeters center to center apart. Then you have the pile cap itself, which is about 1100 millimeter thick, and they have our column up there. You get, so see the ground level, everything is there. Everything is there. So here we have the bar, the reinforcement bending radius. Very, very important in pile reinforcement. You have to show the bending radius. So this is the reinforcement, the detailing of the pile cap itself. This is the plan rebar of pile cap. That's it. So you see the section of it showing the reinforcement in the pile itself and the pile cap, then the column. Yes, that this is very, very wonderful. They did a very great job here, and it's not even expensive. So just for you, so it's at a giveaway price. So this is the other type of pile cap. So and the detailing are there. So it is just um it makes the work very easy for you. So you don't need to crack your head trying to determine how the work is supposed to look like or something. You already have a sample here. This is what is expected of you if you are to design a pile foundation. If you are to do a drawing of a pile, even as a structural engineer, you need to know the how the structure is supposed to look like, so that you'll be able to know how to do your design. Of course, from this layout, you know that you can have different pile cap in a layout, or you decide to do a specific one. You understand? You just use one type and do everything. So the option is yours. So these are the column detailing. So everything is very, 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 very complete. Nothing, no stone is left unturned. Okay, so a lot of things. So when you get this software, you see everything is there. There is no information that is missing. So now let's move to the second one, which is Slab Raft Foundation. That's basically Raft Foundation. I'll just click yes and wait for it to open. Raft Foundation. This is our Raft foundation template. So if you have a Raft foundation to design, you have a template here, you have a go by here. All the information you need is here. As a structural engineer, as a designer, this is what you need. Once you have this, you have an idea of what is expected of you. You have an idea of what is expected to be your end product. Of course, as a structural engineer, this is your end product. These drawings are our end product. Drawings is what the construction engineers and go to site with, So this is what is expected of you. So this is the go by. Looking at this, you'll be able to do your own work seamlessly. You look at the reinforcement detailing. This is the layout, say 850 concrete slab thickness, 850 so the thickness of the mats is 850. So these are the reinforcement detailing, so the colors of the reinforcement and further details of the reinforcement. Everything there. You see a lot of information here just on that mat foundation. A whole lot of information on just mat foundation. So there is nothing you want to do about mat foundation that you will not find here. Everything is here. Nothing is left undone. So this is just the template for you. The one template that has everything you need as a civil structural engineer. So you just need to grab this opportunity now that we are still running promo on this product. I don't know when the amount is going to go up. Okay, now after this one, let's go back again. We go to the Raft beam Raft foundation. This is the kind of Raft foundation that has beam. Okay, double click, say yes, wait for it to come. Okay, so this is it. So that's what we have. So we go there. It's a general note. That is general note everywhere. So this is the layout. You see the column positions. This is the beam. So now you see the 200 mm thick concrete slab. So we now have beam around it. You get beams around it, beams all over. See ground beam. Yes. So the layout, beam and slab layout. That's that. This one is like a C building, very massive one. Raft foundation layout. So here, this is a section of it. Of course, this is a section of it. You see the slab, see the columns. Yeah. So these are detailing of the beams. Okay. Okay, detailing of the beams. So these are everything you need to know, both the slab and the reinforcement detailing of the beams. They are complete. This one is the reinforcement of the mat, the 200 mm thick mat. That's the reinforcement. Then the column is there. Everything you can think of about anything you want to do in mat beam foundation design is covered here. Everything is covered here. Okay, so let's move to the other one. The other one is strip foundation, which is normal strip is a very common foundation. Okay, let's wait for it to come. Okay, so now this is it, strip foundation. This is the layout. So the strip is going just normal strip foundation. So they will now reinforce this is the layout. So this place are going to just be open. They won't have reinforcement. Reinforcement will just follow the wall this way. That's the example of that. This is a typical strip foundation drawing. So these are the beams. Okay, that's the beam, ground beam. That's it. That's it. The ground beam. Yeah. Okay. These are the drawings. Everything is here. Everything you can ever think of is here. As far as this steel foundation is concerned, that is what it is. So the next one is steel detailing template. Everything about steel detailing is in this one. Everything you need to do. If you have a steel drawing to do and deliver for your clients, you have a template already. Some of these things are just copy. You just copy some of the detailings, and if the sections are equal anyway, but even if the sections are not equal, you already have the idea of how it will look like. Of course, to detail skills, it poses a lot of challenges to some structural designers, but this one has given you what you need to know about it. This is actually a warehouse or shelter, a warehouse with concrete building attached to it. You get to, but we are focusing on the steel part. So this is the foundation layout. This is what it is. Foundation layout. That's on the foundation layout. Have the base plates, detail and everything. You have this from the rooftop. So you have how to bring out all this detailing. Okay, plan at roof level. That's what it is. See all this detailing here. Okay, so, so this is a elevation along grid one. So if you go to grid one, you see the elevation. That's this grid. Okay, see how is being detailed. So this thing means, yeah, this is called detail 9, which will be in sheet 13. If you go to sheet 13, you see how this joint is being detailed. All the sheet has sheet numbers. So that's that. This one is the same thing. You go to, this is detail 12, which is also in sheet 13. When you go to sheet 13, you see what is happening here clearly. This is a typical example of how to detail each joint, each connections of a drawing of a steel drawing. Detail 11 in sheet 13, detail 13 in sheet 4, in sheet 15. This is it. We need to show how the pole line is connected to the roofing sheet and to the rafter. Very, very important. Elevation along that. This is it. So if you go to that sheet 13, you see all those connections. See detail 7. If you go to sheet 7, you see where it was cut out. Okay, that's the meaning of that one. End plate type A for the end plates. See the stiffener plates. Okay, so these are well detailed connections. This is typical drawing. It's a drawing. So when you have a similar work, you can just come here, have the idea, see the symbol of weld, a standard way to show symbol of weld. Okay, HEB 200, that's the size of this section. This one is HEB 320, size of this column. These are the details. Everything is well detailed in this drawing. You see, very well detailed, every single thing. So this kind of template is what you would not like to lose, is what you would not like to miss. I advise you to just grab it now. This is MTO. This is MTO. You can add another MTO template. This is another template as well, because MTO is a very important document that is needed, to actually quantify the materials. Okay, MTO for workshop, warehouse. Okay, so as for MTO, also see bar bending for this one. Also have other ones. Even the concrete part is also detailed. This is BRC for the foundation. This the slab, the PC. Okay, a lot of things. So if you pick this template, you're not going to regret it. It has a whole lot of information. So after that, we go to pad foundation. Front of pad foundation is the normal foundation that is very common. We do it every day. That's the most common type of foundation, in existence. Okay, so this is this is this is it for pad footing. You have the foundation layout, you have the column positions and the pad positions. Okay, this is section, typical section. Okay, then these are the pad footing, the base and the column. Yeah, base reinforcement. This one is with the column itself, with the base, just like that, like that, that. Everything is here, even the staircase design and detail, everything is there. Okay, that's for the pad. So now before I go to this start pro, I'm going to show you how this one works. So I'm going to be, I'll go and design a particular maybe a slab or beam in my RCDC, and I will bring it into this one. So before I do that, let me quickly show you this bar bending schedule. Just click on the bar bending schedule. So I'll urge you to watch this video to the end, because I'm also going to show you how to activate this software in your system. When you actually procure it, you have to there's a way you download and extract, to be able to use it in your system. So now this is the template. Like I told you, what you just need to put is your cutting length. These are editable. You can edit it when you have this type of shape. You can edit and put whatever you want to put there. You can edit and put what you want to put. For example, I'm just giving you an example. Then this is then this place for bar mark 1. What's the bar diameter? You put the bar diameter. Number of elements, you put the number of elements. Number of each, you put it there. Then length of each bar. So this is the length of each bar. You have to calculate this. 300 plus 200 is 500, plus 400 is 900. So I'll put 900 here as the total length of each bar. So put 900. So it is editable. You see, automatically the total quantity has changed. Just take note. I want to undo. I want to undo. You see, it was 1125. So when I put 900, it's 337.5. I seen that. So that is it. So now this is the unit weight of 12 mm. Once you put 12 mm here, that unit weight changes. If I change it to 16 mm, it's going to change as well to 61.5785. So it is well programmed. You don't need to give yourself headache. Just put in the values that you're supposed to put in and forget about what is happening here. This other place is well taken care of. So the template is very well useful. You can as well add more rows. You can add insert, you know. See, you can insert if you want, if you need to add more. So when you insert, what you do is you copy what is here from there to there, Control C and paste. So once you paste it, everything will still be alright. Just edit whatever you have here. You can put 30 mm, get just like that. Just like that. Just edit. Just edit and put the cutting length and put the shape, type of shape here, put the total length, and every other one is taken care of. So that's that for this um, bar bending schedule template. So it's very useful. Okay, so now we are going to dive into Start Pro and how that one works. This one, so the same thing is also with Orion. So for you that is using Orion, pay attention, because whatever I do here is the same thing that will work here. So I'm going to be opening my Start Pro. I will design a slab in RCDC and save it to DXF. Then I'll copy that drawing and paste it inside this software now. So when I open this, the same way you open the other ones, just open this one. Yeah, it is opened already. So this is it has been programmed to recognize drawings coming from RCDC software. So once I copy that drawing from RCDC, I'm going to paste it inside this box, and automatically this software is going to fine tune the drawing to about 80%. Then the remaining 20%, you do it, yourself. Do the, of course, they are still working on it. They normally improve on it, or maybe on yearly basis. This one is 22-24. They keep improving on it, so maybe as time goes on we might get the one that will do the work 100%, but for now it's 80%. So I'm going to demonstrate that for you to know how it works. Okay, let's go to Start Pro. So this 7-story build is a 7-story building which I started from beginning on this my channel. I have a lot of parts, my channel. So watch the previous videos from, I think, from part 1 to part 9. I designed it from beginning to end, and we're going to do pile foundation for it. So stay tuned. If you have not subscribed to my channel, I'll beg you to do that. Give me a thumbs up, just like the video please, and share with your friends and colleagues in the office. It's okay. So watch my previous video on how to design this structure. Yeah. Okay, so we are going to head on to um advanced concrete design. So let's just design a slab, and I will use it to show you how this how it works with this our wonderful template and software. Okay, so As usual, we are going to fill these places, and okay, so the slab want to design any level, click on create. Okay, let's wait for it to come. Okay, so I'm not really going to be paying much attention in this design. I want to just use it to demonstrate something. So we have a staircase here, but I won't bother myself to open up that place. I'll simply include my loads. Yeah, if you want to know how to do a design of a slab, just watch my previous videos on how to design on this 7-story building. You see how slabs are being designed. Okay, so I will just copy, paste, 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 paste. Okay, let me change my mind, put this one to be true, so it will represent that what we have actually. That place is a staircase. Okay, so I will simply hit the design. I won't do all the settings. Let me just do design so that I can get my output immediately and take it to that our software. So everything passed. I will just save a drawing on the report, save a general arrangement plan, implant detail. Okay, so we have bottom reinforcement and top reinforcement. So let me just save this bottom reinforcement. I will save it to DXF. Okay, I will write slab for sample. This DXF, that's the extension. So I'll save it there. It's okay, so I'm going to open this. I think it's open already. It's open already. Okay, let me just be sure I am opening the right one. Okay, I'll click on here. Okay, so this is it. So I'll go and open that my saved drawing. I'll open down my saved drawing from slab for sample. Okay, so this is my saved drawing. I'll copy it, copy this, and I'll take it to that template. I'll paste it here. See, it has changed. See, so this is automatic fine tuning. The dimensions are there. The dimension, you can look at the dimension is similar to what we have here. The layers, all the layer property as these drawings here, is what it has taken. It has taken all those layer property. So what you just need to do is small work. Just arrange this reinforcement, this the call out reinforcement, and the work is done. That's all. So that is the beauty of this software. So you cannot compare all this with what is here. They are not the same thing. So that's just the difference. They are not the same thing. It has been, fine tuned. Even the text heights and the rest of them. So I will urge you to just go to the description box and get the link to this product and get it ASAP. Okay, I will show you now how to. The last thing I will show you is how to get it. Once you make payments and you have it downloaded in your system, you are going to you're going to have it in your downloads. So when you click on downloads, you see it here. It is Stonebridge template 2024 release 6.0.147. That's how you're going to see it once you get it downloaded. So now what the next thing you do is you right click on this because it's a zip folder and click on extract all. Once you do that, you're going to now see this one. It's going to extract it because this is what is zipped. This is what is inside this other folder. So you're going to see this one. So when you get this one, you double click. When you double click, it gets you to this place. You come straight to this one. This is Stonebridge template 2024 6.0.147. So you double click again. It now reveals this Excel file here. So you double click the Excel file and that opens this. So from here you have the access to all these templates and this wonderful software modifier. I will the drawing modifier, sorry, drawing modifier. So I will leave it here for today. Chat me up on WhatsApp if you have any question, and you can also send me an email. In the description box you see my email address there. So that's that. Thank you for watching, and please like my video, like this video, please like this video, I beg you, and share this content. Thank you very much. See you next time.